Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I've got a method to share with you that is absolutely awesome. Now I've been blogging and I've been doing YouTube for a number of years now, and I've never seen a method like this to make money online. Now about this, it's completely unique. I can guarantee 99% of you watching this, you'll have never have seen this, and you probably wouldn't know it existed, because I know I certainly didn't. But in this video, what I'll do is I'll show you the method. I'll show you exactly how this works and how you can get this up and running today. Now you can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. You do not need any skills, experience. You don't need a blog, a website, an email list, or any of the normal things that comes with traditional money making. So I found out about this opportunity about 10 days ago now, and it come about when I was doing some research for this article here for my blog. So obviously I have the YouTube channel, but I have my blog as well, and I share different content on both platforms. Now I was doing some research for this article here, this real ways to make money from home today, and I got chatting to someone in a Facebook group, and they told me about this company, and I went ahead and did my research, and after doing research with it, I was very happy with this, and that is what I'm going to share with you in this video today. So what is this method and how can you make money online with this? Well, let me go and show you. So we'll start over here. So this here is a company called Kula Brands, and how this works is you can earn, this is what I love about this, you can earn royalties for life. So effectively you can earn a passive income for life. Now on here, how this works is, if I just scroll down here, you can see all of these down here. These are different projects and companies and startup companies. So these companies all on this page here, and this honestly you can go down, there's over 50 of these different companies here. It's a mix. So you have got existing companies who are looking to raise awareness for their brand. You have got new startup companies who have an idea and they're trying to raise money for that project. So these companies come over to Kula Brands and they partner with Kula Brands. And how this works is, once you join Kula Brands, you can earn lifetime royalty commissions in a number of ways. So you can do this via crowdfunding. You can do this via sharing images and videos on social media. You can do this via YouTube, following someone on YouTube, watching YouTube videos, and there's a number of different ways that you can do this. Now, in terms of this Kula Brands here, they have been around for a couple of years. Feel free to go ahead and do some research on Google, because that's exactly what I did before I went ahead and joined this company. So you can see on here, this is the homepage, and you can go ahead and have a look at this and see some of these different companies who they've actually gone ahead and worked with and crowdfunded for and raised funds. So the first part of this is, these companies here, they normally, traditionally, what would happen is, when they've got a project or they're trying to raise awareness for that brand, they would sometimes go over to a platform like this one over here. So we'll go over to Indiegogo. Let me show you this platform here. So this here is a basically it's a crowd fundraising platform. So if I come on here, so this is Swabbies. Let me go over here. Let me just go to the home page. So let's just go and explore. You can come on here and look. You can go and look through all of these different things on here. So let's just click on here. So this is the traditional way that this would work. We're not doing this. So you see on here, these are all companies and startup companies and existing companies where they have a project and they're trying to get that project funded to then go ahead and start, building the company, raising awareness, sharing the brand. And you can come over here and you can go ahead and invest in these. So you'll find hundreds of these companies on here. This is on a platform called Indiegogo, there's Kickstarter, and there's lots more of these different platforms. So if we just go in and show you an example of one and how this traditionally works. So this is a company here. This is the product that they're trying to launch. So this is how much they've currently raised by 18 backers. So if we scroll down here, on the left hand side here, it gives you an overview of the project and how it all works. So this is all interesting stuff. On the right hand side, this is where you want to focus on. This here is where you can donate money to this company. So look over on here, some of these. So you've got an early bird. So you can go ahead and pay £116 for this product here. You've also got, if you just want to donate to the project, you can donate some money on here, and then you've got additional things on here. So this is how it works. A company or a startup company will come over to platforms like Indiegogo when they're trying to raise funds, and people on Indiegogo can go ahead and basically donate money to this project. And what will happen is, once this project ends, it's raised the funds that it needs, then depending on any of these down here, you would go ahead and get one. So like this one here, this premium enclosure, you'd pay £77. Once this is finished, once the crowdfunding on this platform here is finished, you would get this shipped out to you. And that's basically how this works. Now, also on here, you'll find some companies where they're giving a profit share away, or some of them will be, giving away shares for their actual company. And that is a one-time thing where you go ahead, you invest money, and then you get a product or a share, basically. So how this works with Kula brands and why this is so awesome and so different is, instead of the companies and the business owners and the startup companies coming directly to Indiegogo and Kickstarter and these other companies, well, they come over to this company here called Kula Brands. And what they do is, in exchange for coming over to Kula Brands and giving their project over to this brand here, they pay a royalty to Kula Brands, and then that royalty is then shared out between everybody who is a member on the platform. And in terms of how this works is, once a product is launched into the marketplace, if that product then gets listed on Amazon and that product sells on Amazon, you earn a royalty commission effectively. If that product goes on Amazon, same again. So no matter where this product sells, whether that is online or offline, there is always going to be royalties paid to Kula Brands, which is then shared out amongst all of the members on here. So if I go over here, if I go over here and scroll down, as I mentioned, these are all of the companies who have worked with Kula Brands and launched projects. Now let me just show you a couple more of these. So this is the first one here. This is a product called Drop It Baby. Now this product here, this Drop It Baby, they launched with Kula Brands. They took their project, Drop It Baby. They went over to Kula Brands. They did a crowdfunding thing, and then they did like Facebook and Twitter and other bits. And then this product has launched. It's launched it extremely well. You can go ahead and get this product on. This is Walmart. You can get this product on their website. You can get it on Amazon and many more platforms. And then from all of those sales, they pay a royalty over to Kula Brands, which is then shared out between the community. And this gets paid out every 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days, depending on the payment terms. So this is just the first part of this. So if I go back over here into this Kula Brands here, so you can sign up, and what you can do is you can go ahead and what is known as crowdfunding, you can basically pledge that you're going to put some money into a project before it launches over onto these crowdfunding platforms. Then once the product is launched and it's in the marketplace, you earn a lifetime commission. So there's not any other platforms that I have seen that offering this, and this is one of the reasons why I really love this Kula Brands. So you can sign up, you can come over into Kula Brands, and then you can go ahead and look at projects, and you find out about these projects before they launch on the marketplace. So you can go ahead and have a look at any of them, and then you do something what is called pre-pledging. So what that means is you say, right, I'm going to donate X amount of money, whether that's $10 or $100, before that then launches over on platforms like Indiegogo. Then once that launches on Indiegogo, you go ahead and you donate the amount of money that you said you was going to do in the beginning, and then once it's launched, you then get given points, and then those points are what effectively earn you your commissions. So this is the first part to this. So you go ahead and find projects that you like or that you want to invest in, and then once they've launched, you earn a commission. Pretty straightforward. The other part to this, and I'll show you this now, is over on here. So that part there would be known as the pre-pledge. We've also got the crowdfunding, then you've also got pre-purchase. And again, if you scroll down here, these are some of the companies on here at this moment in time where you can go ahead and pre-purchase a product basically. So you see down here we've got this Edge Visor, we've got Gunbale, and you see this number here, this 5% royalty. They pay a 5% royalty to Kula Brands, which is then shared out between all of the members of Kula Brands. So this product here, this Edge Visor, this is a product that's already in the marketplace and they're just looking to expand. We've got another project over here which is called Gunbale. There's another one here because there's musicians on this platform who are trying to launch their music careers. And there's lots and lots of different things on here. You'll find one up at the top. Look at this one here called Hugga Boo Boo Donation Campaign. And again, they're paying a 4% royalty on here over to Kula Brands. So these are a couple of ways how you can get involved with this. So you can go ahead and purchase or donate, or sorry, invest in some of these companies on here. So it's a really great method. And I've gone ahead and invested in this Gunbale here. I've invested in Edge Visor. I've invested in this one up here and a couple more different companies. So this is part one. So you can go ahead and earn lifetime royalties this way. The second part to this and how this works is, if I go over into here in the back office. So I said you can earn points from just sharing on social media and other bits. Well, it's really simple to do. See, where is it? Let me show you this. So come down here to branding. This is in the back office. Come down here. There's Facebook live offers. So you can go ahead and have a look at those live offers. But there's another one which was down here. And I just want to show you this and show you all of the different ways how you can start earning a lifetime royalty from all of these different brands. And at this moment in time, there's over 50 brands and there's more coming onto this project all of the time. So if you scroll down here, look, we've got active campaigns and ones which have expired. So if you scroll down here, look, this one here, this Ease on Babies. We're going to come over here to the right hand side and click on View. It will tell you what this is. So you see on here, you will earn 0.15 branding points from going over to Ease on Babies project when you use the link provided. And all I want you to do is go ahead, like and comment on the post and share it to your own Facebook, and then you will be given 0.15 points for doing so. So in terms of the points, it's broken up into sort of pre-pledge, sales, and also these branding ones here. And this one here, like this branding points, where they're going to give you these points here. This is because this company here, they're trying to get awareness, they're trying to get people looking at their project and looking at the products that they're offering, and they're prepared to give you points which effectively equal prizes or money in this example, and they're prepared to do this over on Facebook, and they do it on Twitter and YouTube and many more. So you can sign up, and if you didn't want to go and invest money right off the bat and you want to just go ahead and share content on social media and earn points for doing so, you can do that. And this is, it's just, for me, it's a great method to make money online, because the company here, this Ease on Babbies or Babies, however you say this, they're happy because not only are they getting more exposure for their brand, they're getting people looking at this, they're getting social links over to their website, they're getting sales effectively coming into this. Kula brands are happy because they're obviously earning a royalty commission, and we're happy because basically we're doing a task what takes us, what's that going to take? Literally about 30 seconds, and then we're going to get these points, and these points basically equal that you will get a lifetime commission for doing so. So that is just one here. So you can see we've got Facebook, we've got Twitter, we've got Instagram on here, we've got YouTube, we've got LinkedIn here, and this is updated all of the time. Now obviously some of these will expire because they have a certain time limit to this, but this moment in time you can go through and have a look at all of these different ones. So this is the second way how you can earn lifetime royalties from this company, is going ahead and interacting and sharing content on social media. It's really simple stuff in it. It's going to take you 30 seconds, a minute maximum, to go ahead and share this company's content on here. And like I mentioned, all they're trying to do is get more awareness about their brand. I saw down here a minute ago, if I'm going to show you Donovan Lee. If you go ahead, go on Google and Google Donovan Lee. He's a big country and western music star. He's just been nominated for some awards, and he was trying to expand his audience and his tour, and he partnered with Kula brand and did crowdfunding, and then everybody else is earning a royalty from the success of Donovan. So again, everyone's happy because the people who participated in this, who shared content on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, they're earning a royalty commission. Donovan's happy because he's got more exposure for his music, and Kula brands are happy because obviously they're getting their royalty commission as well. So that is how this all works. So one last thing about this company, and then I'll leave you alone, is when you first sign up to this, you see on here on the left hand side, they've got something called the roadmap. Now in here, let me click on here. You see here where it says fast path. If you click on here, it will open up a new tab for you, and it'll show you these royalty packs. Now again, this is optional, you don't have to do this, but it's just a way that you can start earning instantly within the company. So you see down here we have got the international cannonball pack, the international diving pack, and finally the international jumping pack. So what does that mean? Well, it means you can go ahead and get access to seven royalty pools. So you purchase this, not only will you get all of the products that are included in here, so all of these products, like, so you've got the game over here, the scarf, you've got cords of steel, you've got truck visor. If you scroll down here on the right hand side, you can see all of these products. So you will get all of these products here. But the great thing about this is you will then start earning a royalty from all of these single brands here, no matter where their product sells, whether it sells on Amazon, whether it sells on eBay, their own website, Walmart, wherever, it doesn't make a difference. You'll start earning a royalty commission. And all of these products on here, these are products which have launched with Kula brands, but they've raised the funds and basically launched that project, so it's no longer available via the traditional route, which is the crowdfunding and sharing content on Facebook and Twitter. So instead of that, you can simply make a one-time purchase. You'll get all of the products here that are all listed on here, or all of the products listed down here, but more importantly, you'll start earning a lifetime commission. So that is how this all works. I hope you understand just how awesome it is, really, because I'm genuinely super impressed with this. I got into this a little over 10 days ago. Since then, I've invested in about 6 of these different projects. One that I recently invested with, which was this one here, and it was called Swabbies. And again, you can go check them out on their website. You can check them out on Amazon, Facebook, and wherever. Basically, just go ahead and have a Google of them. But these are all big, proper, legitimate companies that are trying to grow a brand, raise awareness, and they're prepared to give some of their revenue back over to the Kula community of people who helped them and funded them in the beginning. So this, as I mentioned, this swab is here. This is one that I went ahead and invested in last week. I'm really impressed with this company here. And there's many more, and I'm looking forward to the extra companies that are going to be coming on board with this in the coming years. But as you've seen in this video, they're working with big brands. They're getting these products, not only they're working with them, but they're getting these brands and these companies into huge places. As you can see up here, we've got Walmart, Amazon, and many more. So if you're interested in this and you want to know more, click the link down below. It will take you over to this page here. There's a video on here showing you how this all works. There's a little bit of more information on here, and then you'll also find down here you've got testimonials from other people within Kula brands. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, there's a link down below. But that is today's video. Thank you ever so much for watching. What do you think about it? Do you think lifetime royalty commissions are a decent way to make money online? Personally, I think it's a great way, but let me know your thoughts down below. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.